testing all of the unboxed chairs in this place. Chair number 1. Actually pretty comfortable. Chair number 2.
It's called the Vortex Gaming Chair. Buy it from merch.com.
That's actually...
Gray bonded leather seating.
I'd give it... Okay, that last one?
Wait, what?
I'd actually give that last one 3 stars. It was pretty good. 3 out of 5. This one,
That's good.
I think
Let me try it.
I'll have it at a 3 out of 5. Still yet to find the best one. Oh, this one's so cushiony.
You sound like one of those ads. Ah, it's so relaxing.
Okay, now, what do you think about this one?
I give it like a 2 stars out of 17,724,600.
This one, it's not so comfy. I'd probably give it a 2 out of 5. This one's, not the best.
This just is like weird. The texture.
Yeah, the texture's weird. I think I'd give it a 1 star. First 1 star. What are your thoughts on this chair?
I mean, it's alright. It's like, I give it a 2.5 stars.
This chair has the same texture as that last chair over there. It does have a headrest, so I can't reach that headrest, so I'd give this it's pretty comfortable. I think I'd give this a 3 out of 5. It's pretty good. What are your thoughts on that chair?
This one's really good. I give it a 3.75. Chair.
Oh, this one even can go back a tiny bit. Oh, this is actually really comfortable. I think I'd give it a 4 out of 5. Golden stapler.
Dude, I mean, look at this. Golden staple.
How much does it cost? Oh my gosh.
$14 for a golden staple.
Yo, that's actually kind of a good deal. This one looks insanely comfortable. Let's try it out. All I can say is 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5. What are your thoughts on that one?
This pushes my back like this.
Oh man, garbage pose.
Oh, that was 2.5. Actually, this one's 1 star, and this one I'd say is 2.5. It's good. I mean, oh my god.
What are your thoughts on that
This
one?
is my first 5 star. Which was the best one?
I don't know.
What I think was the best one?
It's so comfortable. Oh my gosh, this one's the best one. 5 stars. What do you think?
Is what we thought until we found this chair. Has to be the best one out of all the chairs.
Oh man, let's try it. $30 billion stars. This is so comfortable. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It spins both ways, guys. Guys, this is the best one. 30 bajillion stars.
Hobby Lane.
Wait, edit.
Eddie.
This one. This is so fire. This one. And that was all the chairs.